Hello everyone, I am at the farm. As you see here, I don't know, melon or watermelon. We have beans right here. I just want to make sure this is a bean also. And right here is a watermelon. I see that one, so tiny. Beans. Right here is a watermelon, I think. And this is a watermelon. I just want to show you guys, this is the corn and beans, watermelon or melon, I am not sure. I have some potatoes. Let me show you guys a little bit. Apples, some potatoes, some small fruit trees. I just want to show you guys this, how small it is, this stuff, but I just watered them. And as you see, this is a watermelon. Let's see what happens when they grow up. I think around here, right here is a watermelon, tiny. Right here also baby one, and one over here, watermelon, and a few more like this. Let's see, I just watered them, and we will see. I have some beans here, apple trees, eggplant, peppers. One is die already. I got another peppers over here, and I have some tomatoes over here. Peach tree is dying because of not enough water. We have a strawberry, walnuts. You see, tomatoes didn't die. I'm so happy. So I got some tomatoes here, some onions, corns in it, apricot tree, orange tree right here. I have two of them. Some zucchinis here. Only two zucchini though. I don't know why so less. I have a tough soil. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but I'm gonna make another video to see how they grow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.